Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize legal writing skills with Grammarly beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Grammarly website. Create an account if you don't have one yet. Log in to your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Grammarly dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface. Select the New Document button to start a fresh writing piece. Paste your legal text into the document area or write directly. Take note of the real-time grammar and spelling suggestions. Click on each highlighted suggestion to review its meaning. Choose to accept or ignore suggestions based on legal context. Utilize the clarity suggestions to enhance readability. Pay attention to tone adjustments that fit legal writing requirements. Use the plagiarism checker for originality assurance. Review the vocabulary enhancement suggestions to avoid repetitive language. Incorporate Grammarly's insights to clarify complex sentences. Adjust writing style settings to suit legal documentation. Use the Goals feature to define your audience and intent. Regularly revisit your drafts for iterative improvement. Save your work frequently to avoid data loss. Export the final document to your preferred format. Make further edits as needed based on feedback or additional insights. With these steps, you'll enhance your legal writing skills using Grammarly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.